Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove Ikea drawers for a dresser. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to be flipping my camera screen out so I can see what you all are seeing. Now, not only will I be showing you how to remove the drawers, but I'll also be showing you how to put them back in place as well. It's actually really easy to do. Now, there are a few different types of drawers for Ikea furniture, right? There's different types of drawers that slide in different types of ways. I don't remember what this dresser is called. Someone can probably comment below because I know it is a very popular dresser. We actually have a few of these in different colors and different sizes, different numbers of drawers. I just can't remember the name. But a lot of the cabinets have this type of drawer system. So if your drawer system looks like the one that I'm going to show you, or it is this specific type of dresser or cabinet, then you can do it the way that I'm going to show you. So essentially you want to pull the drawer out all the way. When you pull it out all the way, it's going to sort of lock in place over here. You can't pull it back any further. Then what you want to do is on either side, grab either side. And I do apologize about the lighting. I'm sorry. This is the best angle that I could come up with right now in the garage, given the disaster that's all around me on the floor that I'm cleaning up as we speak after these videos are done. Basically, back to business. Once you pull out the drawer all the way, you're going to grab each side. You're going to lift it up, pull it back, and then sort of angle it a little bit downwards and pull it out. And there you go. It's out like that. Okay, very simple. You want to put it back in place. You're going to start on an angle like this, on a slight angle like this. And essentially you want to get these wheels right here. So these wheels, you want to get them over the wheels that are on the side over here, over these wheels over here, okay? So I'm going to get these wheels on the drawer over the wheels on the dresser, okay? Once they're over it, I can essentially, let's try that one more time. Once they're over it, I can bring the angle up, and then when I push forward, you go over that little bump, and you're good to go. That bump was essentially what was stopping the drawer from falling out. So check this out. Once again, to remove the drawer, you pull it back all the way. You want to grab both sides, lift it up at the front of the drawer, okay, the side that's closest to my stomach over here. Bring it back, and then once it can't go further, you feel those wheels touching there. The two sets of wheels are touching each other there. You want to go down like that, angle it downward, and then just lift it out of place like that. You want to put it back in place, go on a slight angle. You want to get the wheels over each other essentially, okay? So now the wheels are over each other. Angle it straight, push it back, and then you're going to go over this little bump like that. And that's it, just like that. A little bit faster, all the way back, up, back, down. That's it. Want to put it back in place? You're going at this angle like this. You're going over this, over the wheel, straighten it out, push it back, over the bump, you're good to go. That's it. It's really that easy, and that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.